समझो इस चीज को. Horses that go to wars never dance at weddings. Horses that go to wars have high self worth, high self value. उनकी अपनी एक वैल्यू होती है. They have their own standards and their own worth, and they never go and dance at weddings, circuses, or low their standards and go to such parties or weddings and dance. Similarly, अगर you have high self value, high self standards, high self worth of yourself, you will not go and settle with cheap or shitty type of people. Cheap means that type of people who will never appreciate your individuality, your personality, never appreciate you, always try to pull you down, always try to dim your light. By being with them, you will become underconfident. By being with them, तुम खाली यही सब सीखोगे, how to gossip about other people, and you will not have any goals in their life. Instead, you will go and settle with those type of people who match your standards. और standards मतलब पैसे के मामले में नहीं. Don't go and do this cheap thing, okay? I'm not talking standards means money wise. I'm talking about behavior wise. You will never go and settle with those type of people. For example, if they are all oranges and you are a mango, those type of people will never call you mango or appreciate you for being mango. Instead, they will call you orange deficiency syndrome. ऐसे लोग cheap and shitty type of people. If you have high self-value, high self-standards, you will not go and settle with these type of people. Those type of people who will just make you joker in their own circus. Those type of people who just like to gossip, who don't have any goals in their life, who just like to do back bitching about other people, you will not go and become a part of their circle. It doesn't matter how much lonely you are feeling. Or you will never go and settle with those type of people who will not appreciate your individuality, instead make you a joker in their own circus to make you settle in their circle. For example, if they are all oranges and you are a mango, so they will not appreciate you for being mango. They will instead call you orange deficiency syndrome. Do you want to become that? No. See, ऐसे लोग हैं ना, they will never appreciate your individuality, your personality, your good qualities. Instead, see, your surroundings matters a lot. So if you are having high self-value, high self-worth and high self-standard, you will never become a joker in their circus. You will never go and settle with these type of people. Doesn't matter how much lonely you are. So that's what I'm saying. And you know what? You will understand all these things when you will set a high self-standard and you will set a high self-value of yourself in your brain. If you will think that, okay, my value is very high, I deserve this, I deserve that. If you will set, then only you will realize that for what things you should settle and for which things you should not settle. And that quote was so good. See, horses that go to wars never dance at weddings. That's what it is. Horses that go to wars have high self-value, high self-worth, high self-standard, high self-image of themselves. And they will never go and dance at parties, weddings or circuses. They will never go and perform there. Why? Because they know their value. They know their worth. They know their value. And that's what you should know. You should know your value, your worth, your standard, your everything. And then you should ultimately choose people according to that. With what type of people your standards will match and with what type of people your standards will not match. And standard means not money wise, okay? Don't go and do this cheap thing. Standards means who are treating you nicely. Standards means who are appreciating your individuality, your personality. They are, having welcoming nature for you in their group, and they are appreciating you instead of, dimming your light. They are appreciating you. By being with them, you are shining even brighter. That type of people you should settle with instead of settling with those type of people who will just point out your bad qualities. And when will all this happen? When will you start realizing all these things? Only when you will realize your value, you will realize your worth. And how will you realize that? When you will sit and understand this thing. Tell me why you don't deserve everything. Why you don't have a high self-value and worth of yourself. See, first of all, try to become a very kind person, very good-hearted person, okay? If you are this type of person, then why do you think that you are not valuable, you are not worthy? Why do you think that? Just stop thinking all this, okay? You deserve everything, you are worthy, you are priceless, you are everything. Just keep this perspective, make this perspective of yours. And then when you will start thinking like this, you deserve everything, you are worthy and all that stuff, at that time, you will actually understand with what type of people you should settle and with what type of people you should not settle, how much you deserve, how much you don't deserve. Because your surroundings matters a lot. If you are a good person and they are bad people, see, you will stay with them just 1 or 2 weeks and their bad qualities will start coming into you and your good qualities will start going into them. Whose loss it is? It's your loss. And this is my personal experience, okay? I'm not lying or just telling it on theoretical basis. I am telling it on the basis of my own personal experience. Your surroundings matter a lot, not to just make a social reputation in front of everyone, but also to transform you, and it's also about your own personality. Your surrounding matters a lot in shaping you and your personality. So, yeah, at last, I just want to say that remember this quote: horses that go to wars never dance at weddings. Why? Because they have their own image, high reputation, high self worth, and high self standards. They won't go and dance at parties, weddings, or go and become a joker in circus. ठीक है. Similarly, if you have high self value, high self standards, and that you don't get by birth, okay, you have to make this perspective. When you make your perspective just like you are very worthy, you are you are worthy of everything, or you have high self value, high self standards, high self image of yourself, high self reputation of yourself in your eyes, at that time, you also realize with what type of people you should settle and with what type of people you should not settle. Why this is so important? Because your surrounding matters a lot in shaping you. You will never become a joker in their circus and sacrifice your self-respect just because you are lonely or just because you are trying to fit into their circle. You will never do that. Okay, understood? If you didn't understood, watch the video again, because it actually conveys a very good message. Just like horses having high self standards will not become a joker in circuses or become a dancer in weddings. Similarly, if you have high self value, high self standards, you will also not become a joker in other people's circus, in some people's circus. That is why it is so important to have high self standard, high self value, and you need to develop this quality. That's it.